more to know into what you earn online. In this video, I'm going to show you what passive income is. Money you earn without active daily works. That what we call passive income. Like when you are sleeping, money still comes in, and money that comes from content, products, or systems. Let's say you build a website which have a payment gateway. So whenever you are not active, money is still coming in. That's what we call a cash flow, right? And when we are creating content, make it be a valuable content that even people, when people doesn't be able to chat with you, they will still pay you, and you have a product that people really want that can solve people's problems online and build ons very repeatedly. That's what we call a passive income. The Let's say you build a product right now with zero money, right, and people are keep purchasing the product every day by day. Like that's what we call a passive income. While your skill is powerful, you already have what it takes, and there's someone who need your knowledge, right? So you just need to package all your knowledge, just package it right, and I'll show you guys the different way for you to package all this knowledge and start selling it to people that really need it. Not just people, okay, people that really need it, and how you can get people that will be interested in what you are selling, in your knowledge, right? So that I can render it to them and start making your whole passive income every day. And first thing is that you need to identify your monetized skills. So not all things that you will jump into, because you have some particular things that you really know, and what can you do well, right? So what do people often ask your help with? Let's say you have a skills right now and people are coming into your DM like, oh, Mr. So, can you help me with this? And another person come, can you help me with this? And you have up to like 10 people that are asking you for about one thing. So all what you need to do is to monetize it, package it, and try to sell to them. Then you make your own money, right? So there's some example of what I talk about, like written. There's some people that like to read content, like just post a long form content so you can monetize it. There's some people that like design, like all those graphic design, teaching and coding their marketing. So people really know some skills about this thing. So you know one thing, not just all, you know one thing and you monetize it, then you start making your own money. So as you know all these skills, you need to package it into a product, like I said before. So just create an ebook or video course or digital guide. This digital guide can be an ebook too, okay, in form of ebook, or you create an offer template or preset or training that people can keep watching every time. Then you package it into a product. So these are the tools you need to package all these products. You can just use your Canva. Like you can use your Canva. Canva give you opportunity to design a graphics and video plus your website. You can just use drag and drop on your Canva. So Notion is there and Teachable is there too, which you can start with and create your product, then you start selling to people and set up a selling system. There's a way for you, there's a different way for you to start selling up on your system, right? So use platform like Seller, Gumshoe and Paystack, right? So creating a landing page or a sales funnel, this one might be hard for you to get started with, but you can still use your Canva as a drag and drop. Or if you are someone that familiar with the WordPress, you can just go to your wordpress.com, or you have a free hosting platform which you can just go into and start creating your own landing page or a sales funnel. Because in any product that you want to sell, you need to have a sales funnel where people will go to, and they will go through and know a lot or about the product that you are about to sell to them, right? So that they will understand it very well. So whenever you are not active, they will still purchase. That's what we call a passive income. And when you get started, right, so automate deliver with email responder. Whenever someone comes into your website, your landing page, or your sales funnel, make a email responder. This one is very hard for a beginner to get started with, but there's a lot of videos on YouTube that I can watch on how to set up a email responder with a landing page, which you can use system.io to do all these things, which they have free versions which you can start with, right? So once someone come into your landing page, all what you need to do is to send them an welcome email, right? So that you will keep following up with them, so that they will have it in mind about the product that you recommend to them, so that they can come back, right? So you need to automate a delivery with email responder, so that they will know, they will still have it in mind about what you are selling. So the step 4 is promote it consistently. In all my video, I always say this very well. Use social media to promote what you are selling. If you neglect this social media, there's no money for you, right? So start build a blog or a YouTube channel where you create, you have an audience, right? You build an audience with a value-based content. Let the content be around what you want to sell to them so that they will know and understand you very well that this person really understand what is talking to us, the thing that you have experience about so that they can follow you and follow your steps so that they can be successful too. So that the last and not the least here is that scale and diversify, like repurpose content into a new product. Let's say you create a product right now and a lot of people have get the product. You just need to upgrade the product. So recreate the product into a new product, add something to it that will make it more valuable than before, right? So add affiliate links for extra income and outsource the automate tax. So there are some things that might not be online, alright, and your users or your audience might have issue with something. You need to automate all these things so that whenever you come online, you just come and review it. And if there are some people that you still need extra reply, you can just go to them and reply them. And when it comes to affiliate link, is that you wholly cannot sell the product. If you want to have passive income, you need to have an affiliate with your product, right? The product that you create, have an affiliate so that whenever you are not active to promote the product, your affiliate will be able to promote the product, right? So that's how things works online, right? Don't wait for private time. So start with what you have. If it's your only your smartphone you have right now, just start with it. If you don't have money to get started and you have this smartphone and your data connection, go to YouTube and set up some things that will be valuable, that will make money for you. And $1 today can become $1,000 per month tomorrow. That's what I want you to know. The person that you are saying that making $10,000 per month today is, if you go to and learn how it started, that person doesn't make any money when he started, and when he start making money, he's not making up to $10 per month, right? So you too, you need to start with what you have. $1 today can become $1,000 per month tomorrow. So your skill is your most valuable asset. So you need to monetize it very well. Master that skills very well and monetize it. And if you find this video helpful, kindly share it with others, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button to this YouTube channel, right?